Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Holden Cruze SRi-V sedan. Stock reference number 4485. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2013 through to the 1st month 2017. It has an A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which has a couple of small dents, right hand headlight, right hand fog light with surround, left hand headlight, left guard has 3 small dents. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 1 small dent, left sill skirt, tidy, left rear door 1 small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left rear tail light, left tail boot lid garnish. Boot lid has a couple of small dents on the top. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack MyLink touchscreen CD player, courtesy lamp, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.